Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This Fiverr review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Fiverr, a freelance platform review and user experience. Fiverr stands as a leading global freelance platform, connecting businesses and individuals with a vast network of skilled professionals. For convenient access, links to Fiverr and other helpful resources are included in the description below. Fiverr caters to those seeking a diverse range of freelance services, spanning graphic design, writing, programming, marketing, and much more. Simultaneously, it provides freelancers with a streamlined platform to showcase their talents and generate income. Fiverr's distinctive gig-based model is its core differentiator. Freelancers create detailed service listings, known as gigs, outlining clear descriptions, tiered pricing structures, and estimated delivery timeframes. This structured approach simplifies the client experience, enabling them to easily browse, compare, and purchase services without protracted negotiations. Fiverr's extensive marketplace encompasses a remarkable breadth of niches, catering to the needs of small business owners, entrepreneurs, and even established corporations seeking specialized assistance. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface with intuitive search and filtering functionalities, empowering clients to efficiently identify the ideal freelancer for their specific requirements. Transparency is paramount, with client reviews, ratings, and gig samples readily available to inform decision-making. Fiverr prioritizes secure transactions, ensuring that payments are released only upon client satisfaction with the delivered work. This safeguard protects both clients and freelancers, fostering trust within the platform. Furthermore, Fiverr offers enhanced services like Fiverr Pro, which showcases a curated selection of top-tier professionals for premium projects. For freelancers, Fiverr presents a valuable opportunity to connect with a global audience, cultivate a professional portfolio, and potentially establish a consistent income stream. However, the competitive landscape of Fiverr can present challenges for newcomers, who often need to leverage competitive pricing and strive for excellent reviews to gain visibility. In conclusion, Fiverr offers a compelling platform for both clients and freelancers who prioritize efficiency and a simplified user experience. Its gig-based structure, secure payment system, and diverse marketplace make it a premier choice for task-oriented freelance work. Have you used Fiverr? We'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And remember to check the description for additional resources and links.